Hello again. Well, right now I've decided that I want to try doing another bottle bottom pour, but without the reverse dip, just with a bit of a tilt. Black base already put down, that is Lamp Black by Reno Art, and my colours today are going to be white, titanium white, a mix of orange and burgundy, yellow mix, and ultramarine blue. So I will start pouring those colours onto my canvas on my bottle bottom. To pick up a little black from underneath and fill in a couple of little what I call potholes here in the paint though, okay, because they've been annoying me. And now I'm going to use my spatula to make my patterns. Actually no, I think this time I might use my stick again, and I'm going to make my patterns in the design that I have here on my canvas. And then I'm going to tilt it one way or two ways only to get one of those slanted patterns again. Oh, wrong end. Seems such a shame to me to have to tilt off one side only. That is so pretty just as it is, and if I was doing a tile or something I would probably leave it, although I am going to just fix this one up as I'm not happy with it because there's just such a very fine amount of paint on there. And now I'm going to tilt. is it. That is exactly what I was after. I wanted that large part of negative space with the partial pattern from the bottle bottom pour, almost as though it was coming up as a flower, but just that pushing pattern that I really, really wanted to get. I'm very, very happy with that. There's a lot of bubbles still, and I've got a little bit of lacing going on down here as soon as I put the flame near it. But overall, that has come out really nicely, and I can just imagine it in so many different colours. I would love to try it sometime in the fire colours of the red and the orange and the yellow with the black. No white at all, no blue at all, just beautiful. Well, that's it for me. Once again, thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.